let's do round 2 of our water arcade circle. To begin, we need to raise our stitches up to another level. So to do that, we're going to chain 3 once again. So yarn goes over the hook and gets pulled through 3 times. And that chain 3 is our first stitch. Now we're going to rotate our work and do 2 double crochets into each of the stitches from the round below. So double crochet again is yarn over the hook, hook into the next stitch. Let me just show you that here. We are skipping this first V. That's the 3rd chain from the row below that we slipped stitched closed. From our final double crochet, we're going to skip that, guys, and we're going to go into this one. All right, so yarn is over the hook, hook goes into that first stitch, pull your yarn through, yarn over through those first 2 loops, yarn over through the final 2 loops. Now we're going to go right back into that same V. So yarn over our hook, just let me show you so you see where we're going. Your hook's going to go right back into that same stitch, creating 2 double crochets into the single stitch from the round below. All right, so you see how that worked? There's your first double crochet from round 1. Now we have 2 double crochets in round 2 into that 1 stitch. Let's do it again into the 3rd stitch, all right? Yarn over, pull through, and again, we're going to go back into that exact same stitch. And we've now created our 4th double crochet into 2 double crochets from the round below. We're going to keep going all the way around until we get back to the chain 3. So I'm going to do this quickly and fast forward, all right? Well, that was easy. Let's hear it for time lapse. Anyways, here I am now. I've got 1 last stitch from the row below that needs to have 2 double crochets, and I have my chain 3 here, which means that I have now 29 stitches on my 2nd round completed. I need to have 32. So here I am going into the last double crochet from the row below. There's 1, 2. Now I have 31 stitches. Now I'm going to do my 32nd and last stitch by inserting my hook right here, right where the first chain 3, the first stitch for the 2nd round came from. So I'm going to go ahead and put my yarn over and go right into that spot and do 1 last double crochet. And as before, to finish the round, I'm going to do a slip stitch by inserting my hook into the chain 3, pulling the yarn right through and carrying on into the last loop of the last double crochet. And there's round 2 completed with 32 stitches.